Hi, I'm Pati Bedwell, one of the Elder Care Coordinators at Takacs McGinnis Elder Care Law, and today I'm going to talk with you about talking with your doctor. Lots of people find talking to their doctor stressful. In some ways, it's like going to the principal's office. You want to do good and be praised on how well you're doing, but that may not happen. Maybe you've gained weight, maybe your cholesterol is higher, or maybe there's a worry that's popped up. Whatever the issue, it's not uncommon to feel stress when you go to see your doctor. If you're caring for an elderly loved one, taking them to the doctor can be even more stressful. Many times our elders have difficulty talking honestly about their declining health. In fact, research shows 60 to 80% of seniors admit to not being entirely honest with their doctor about their health concerns. Some of the reasons given for not telling the doctor everything are worries about the outcome of the visit, not wanting to be lectured, just to name a few. So what do? We can't not take our loved one to see the doctor, and we probably can't take all the stress out of the visit, but surely there's something we can do to make the visit more positive and productive, right? So here's a few of my suggestions. Be sure you have the authority to talk to the doctor. If you are your loved one's health care power of attorney, be sure the doctor knows it so they know they can freely talk with you about your loved one's health. If you're not the health care power of attorney, but you are the one that always goes with them, ask your loved one in front of the doctor for permission for you and the doctor to talk. Next, be prepared for the visit. Always take a current list of medications. Remember, your loved one probably has more than one doctor, and each one will need to know about your medications. Don't forget to include vitamins and any other over-the-counter routine meds that they take. And if you have questions for the doctor, write them down so you don't forget them. Write down things you feel the doctor should know. Maybe mom left the stove on or wandered outside or had several falls. These are the things you think you won't forget. But depending on how long your list is, you may not remember them all, so having a list to refer to is very helpful. And be sure to have something with you to take notes on. Don't pretend you'll remember everything the doctor says. Keep in mind, this is a regular doctor's visit, so the doctor may not have unlimited time to answer questions. If you have more than a few questions, or if you know you'll need a little more time than the usual office visit, ask to schedule a time to talk to the doctor. Sometimes the doctor or you are not comfortable talking about your loved one's deficits in front of them, so consider emailing or faxing your questions to the doctor before the visit. The doctor can answer them in the same manner they were sent, or perhaps during the visit. Remember, the doctor is one of the more important tools in the caregiver's toolbox. As the doctor is evaluating your loved one, you evaluate the doctor and his team. Is this still the right doctor for your loved one? Is the doctor well-versed in working with elders, with people with dementia, with people like your loved one? How does the doctor talk with your loved one? As long as your loved one is able, keep them involved in their care. Sit back and let them talk with their doctor. Step in when you need to, but always be sure your loved one knows they are running the show. Going to the doctor can be stressful, but hopefully one or two of these tips will help make them a little better. If you're caring for an elderly loved one and you're feeling like you're in over your head, Takacs McGinnis Elder Care Law may be able to help. Please call our office.